the tallest mountains on Earth, there exists a hidden kingdom, a place untouched by time, a city once closed to the outside world. For centuries, outsiders were forbidden to enter. This is Upper Mustang, the forbidden city of Nepal. Hidden behind the Himalayas near the Tibetan border, Upper Mustang feels more like another world than Nepal. This remote region remained isolated from outsiders until 1992. Its culture, language, and traditions are deeply connected to ancient Tibet. Here, the mountains are silent, and the wind carries stories older than history itself. At the heart of Upper Mustang lies Lo-Manthang, a walled city built in the 15th century. For generations, this kingdom remained hidden from the modern world. Inside these ancient walls, life still moves to the rhythm of old Tibetan traditions. Monasteries echo with centuries of prayer. The people here preserve a way of life that has almost disappeared everywhere else on Earth. Upper Mustang is more than a destination. It is a living museum of Himalayan spirituality. Every wall, every monastery, every prayer flag feels connected to something timeless. In a rapidly changing world, Lo-Manthang remains one of the last places where ancient Himalayan culture still breathes freely. Some places are visited, others are remembered forever. Upper Mustang is not just a journey across mountains. It is a journey into another time, a forgotten kingdom, hidden in the shadows of the Himalayas.